Hello, my name is Dr. Chris McCarthy. I'm the clinical lead for musculoskeletal services at Manchester School of Physiotherapy and a consultant spinal physiotherapist. I've been teaching combined movement theory for over 25 years, and I'll be in Dubai in the U.A.E. on the 13th of October teaching a course on cervical spine, and the 14th of October teaching a course on the thoracic spine as pre-conference courses. These courses will give you the skills to treat patients with combined movement theory the following day, and it allows you to have very high dose manual therapy effects. So it's a really useful course, particularly at the moment when everyone has spent the last 18 months in terrible postures away from work and has neck and thoracic spine pain. So these are particularly relevant courses that are really useful. Feedback is always really good, and I hope you'll be able to join me on the 13th and 14th of October in Dubai in the U.A.E. for those two wonderful courses. Looking forward to seeing you then. Please.